but you know, it's about to be dark, so I'm gonna give y'all a little bit of night riding. Looking at, I don't have no light on this bike. Woo! I didn't see y'all, but yeah, you know, don't ride without a light. If you're new to riding mini bikes, do not think you can ride at night, because you will get hurt. So yeah, man, at nighttime you gotta especially watch out for these cars. They tripping. Like this, you gotta watch out for that, you feel me? Looking, but yeah, man, y'all be safe out here riding at night. Don't be no fool, you feel me? I wonder how this video gonna look at night. I think I need to add a post pump or vent my gas tank because this mug, I had to go get gas because it was tripping, it was bogging up. Hey, I'm not gonna lie, I went Sunday Fun Day. I got this fastest stock cam bike out there. Niggas are scared of me. Look, and I'm gonna hold that title. Don't care. Niggas be scared to race me. I was racing any and everything. People see me and they knew not to race me. Look, and I don't care about none of that. Hey, if you ain't following me on Instagram, make sure you follow me on Instagram, bikelife_Brian. I'm sure gonna be posting the clip there. When I say they scared to race this thing, they scared to race it. If I port this head right now, I can definitely get 70. Of a stock cam bike. People be out here scared. Look at port the head, get some upgraded push rod, because the push rod will bend once I get it over 70. I know that for a fact. That's some champion rockers. But I don't want to do y'all like that. Come on now. They throw this thing on E85 or Alki. Oh my god. Look at that. They scared of me. They scared of me. What he's slowing down for? Like, the only reason I'm out here like this because I know that my area, I know where the potholes at and all that. Like, I know to slow down right here. Cause it's hella bumpy along coming by I think wherever street this is by Walmart. But yeah, man, I ride over here so many times, so I know the layout and stuff like that. The little low Monday. Sure. Now we gonna go this way because there's 2 speed bumps on that side. That's crazy. I was like, I really got y'all scared. Like, I'm not even going, hey, there's no, I got y'all scared, nigga. I can't bike. Got them scared of me. Look, you know. That's what I'm talking about. You see right here? It's the gas. The gas thing is not getting vented. Oh my god.